We're told that modern humans are unhealthy, fat, lazy, poisoned, and that things are getting worse. These claims are usually followed by, but follow my advice or buy my product because I can heal you. But it's simply not true that our health is getting worse. What, you might say? How can this be so? I get it. In many ways, we are less healthy now. Non-communicable chronic diseases are on the rise. Heart disease, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's. As well as this, we still have millions suffering from undernutrition. But overall, we're living in the healthiest age in history. Of course there are problems with our food systems, huge ones. But I tell you something, I'd rather live now than at any other time in history. Sure, you're more likely to have heart disease now than if you were alive 100 years ago. But this is because diagnostic criteria have changed. You've not died from something else, and healthcare treatments mean you're less likely to die from heart disease. Infectious diseases were once the biggest killers, annihilating millions of children under 5 years old. Death by serious injury has reduced by more than 90%. And it's not just life expectancy at birth that's increased. Life expectancy at any age has also risen. A 51-year-old in 2024 will likely live longer than someone who was 51 in 1974. Okay, you object. We might be living longer. Aren't many of us living those extra years in poor health? Well, maybe for the really latter years, but people are living without disability for much longer too. Why am I talking about this? Especially as much of my content is about helping people to live healthier, longer lives by mitigating these chronic metabolic diseases. I make this point because it helps you to watch out for fear-mongering content on social media, especially from those communicators with underlying motives.